All right, tech lovers, let's settle this once and for all. The age-old debate. Which operating system truly deserves the crown? Whether you're a die-hard fan or just curious, today we're breaking down the strengths and quirks of Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS. Ready? Let's get into it. Windows, Mac, Linux, or Chrome OS, each has its loyal followers and unique personality, but which one actually fits your life? First up, let's talk about Windows. Windows is the go-to for gaming, with the widest range of software and hardware compatibility. It's everywhere, from offices to gaming dens, and let's face it, every IT department is practically married to it. If you want flexibility and support for almost any program, Windows is hard to beat. But it comes with baggage, those infamous updates that pop up at the worst possible time, and security holes that hackers adore. Sometimes, it feels like you're always patching or troubleshooting. Next, let's look at Mac. Sleek hardware, a beautiful interface, and seamless integration with your iPhone and other Apple devices. Macs are known for their reliability and style, making them a favorite in coffee shops and creative studios everywhere. If you're a creative, think video editing, music production, or graphic design, it's a dream. The software ecosystem is tailored for artists and creators, and everything just works together out of the box. But, you'll pay a premium for that Apple logo and customization. Not so much. You're locked into the walled garden with limited options to tweak or upgrade your machine. For some, that's a deal breaker. Then there's Linux, the rebel of the OS world, beloved by tinkerers and those who want total control. It's free, open source, and you can tweak just about everything. Want to change your desktop environment or dig into the code? Go for it. Linux is all about freedom and customization, ideal for coders, developers, and anyone who wants to learn the nuts and bolts of computing. Plus, it's a great way to revive old hardware and keep things running smoothly. But let's not sugarcoat it. Some popular apps just don't play nice, and gaming support is still hit and miss. You might spend more time troubleshooting than actually playing or working. Finally, let's talk Chrome OS. Fast, simple, and bulletproof for web browsing and cloud work. Chromebooks boot up in seconds and are perfect for anyone who lives online. Think students, writers, or anyone who just needs the basics. Chromebooks are affordable and nearly virus-proof, but try running Photoshop or hardcore games. You're out of luck. If you need specialized software, you'll hit a wall pretty quickly. So, which is best? Honestly, it all boils down to you, your needs, your budget, and your style of working or playing. Gamers and power users, Windows has your back with its massive library and hardware support. Creatives and Apple fans, you'll love Mac for its polish and creative tools. Tinkerers, developers, and those who want to experiment, Linux all day, every day. Casual users and students, Chrome OS is perfect for you, simple, secure, and gets the job done without fuss. So, what's your pick? Let me know what you use and why, in the comments below. I'm always curious to hear your stories and see which OS wins in your world. And remember, no matter your pick, it's your world, your rules. Technology is here to serve you, not the other way around. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.